Hey friends, if you wish to fix the no sound problem in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the system volume. Okay, is the system volume good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next one, which is to check the default speaker. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select sound in the right pane, and there would be multiple speakers here. Now if you by chance selected at the headphones one, you will not get sound because your head it will be directed to your headphones. Now I use a mic and it counts as a headphone. I use a DGM20 mic by Maono, but it counts as a headphone, so you have to select it at the right pair of speakers. The next one is to update the sound drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Now right click on the speaker one and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. The next one is to check if there are any connected Bluetooth devices which may be kept somewhere else. Like if there's a Bluetooth headphone that is connected and you've kept it somewhere else, the sound will redirect to it even though we have disconnected it from, even if though we have selected speaker as the default one, but still right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. Select devices in the right pane and check for the connected devices here. And lastly, check for the mute button on the keyboard. Now this has to be pressed in tandem with the function key. Press the function key and the mute button on the amongst the function keys. In my case it is F1, so I'll press function key and F1, but you can decide accordingly depending upon the brand of your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you later or help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.